History unfolded in Ngaraard on January 13, 2026, as the state came together to witness the swearing-in and inauguration of the 12th Al-Batibl, marking the beginning of a new legislative chapter. Dignitaries, family members, and community leaders filled the hall, eager to witness the beginning of a new legislative term. Voices of pride echo across the room as the proceedings come to order. At the heart of the ceremony, Ngaraard introduces Gibson Kanay Jr., known widely as Shiro, stepping forward as the youngest elected delegate and serving as temporary speaker of the Al-Batibl. Shiro takes the oath of office, surrounded by applause, a moment reflecting both youth and promise in Ngaraard's evolving democratic tradition.
I feel like as a younger candidate, si Agalmong, and then I can relate to the younger kids and find what they really want or what they're interested in. Instead of us just planning and giving it to them, it's easy for me to work with them to kind of get their feedback and what they actually want us to help with. So my top priority is, so the first 100 days I'm planning to do structure the youth, right? So we have each will have like a structure youth under governor, and then Amit Makalogro towards a bigger goal. Because with working with Sylvester in national, and we have more resources and opportunities. Nilang wal dilang alam mas state tilgut mukli, nga mas national may offer the help, and we can collab and actually build something for the younger people.
As the program continues, former President Tommy Ramos Jr. addresses the gathering, emphasizing the moment's significance, underscoring that Ngaraard is witnessing a historic milestone. He highlights the groundbreaking election of Marcy Andrew, who makes history as the first woman elected delegate speaker in Ngaraard's legislature, a bold step toward inclusion and progress for the state.
Tiang adil regular swearing in. It's going to be a historic day, Rablur Ngaraard. Warareksi Rablur Ngaraard, Wasen Katanget, El Muardil, El Mulmo Speaker, Raul Batib Rablur Ngaraard.
Marcy Andrew, honored by her peers and welcomed warmly by the community, symbolizes both leadership and representation of women across Ngaraard. From the oath of office to the united applause of citizens, this inauguration stands as a testament to Ngaraard's commitment to democracy, heritage, and shared vision for the future. As the curtain falls on the event, these new leaders step forward, ready to serve, ready to lead, and forever part of Ngaraard's history. From Palau, this is Ngaraard Tulop.